welcome back to my bedroom stream. It's been a while. I think it's been 6 months on the YouTube. I didn't streaming. So I started with the Blender streaming. So recently I just modeling with some dragon. Actually a wyvern. Different type of dragon. Started with very simple. And it's still fun. And already done it. Let's see. I hope it doesn't crash just like previous streaming just a couple hours ago. And whenever I just start to play, it will be crash because I already animated all this dragon. I mean wyvern. So this wyvern is actually made by myself, made from scratch, and with the some average texture in it I use with the GIMP, and I think it's just not such a great scale texture for a dragon scale, more like a bricks or something like stone wall. The game doesn't have any scale texture, so I just make it my own. I don't want to play it, but I hope it's not crash right now, and I hope YouTube doesn't have any issues again. It's been a while. So this is just a few animations for the dragon. Glide. Lie still. Only 40 frames. So just a few days ago I just busy with the logics. There's a new character in here. It is a character from Dota 2. So still I use the original reference for it because I want to save more time, because modeling takes a lot of time. Even like this wyvern, the dragon itself, takes maybe about a couple weeks. Animating texture modeling. Just testing the AI in here. Oops. Distant AI for detection for the player, so the moving cube is actually the player. Very far away became idle, but still aware. more far away will be neutral state for the detection. Now became another idle animation. So just closing in this new type of animation. We're very close. Now it became idle prey again. So I'm going to fix this frame in and out. Forget what it's called. It's a blend in and out. Okay, let's get started. Well, actually, doing some logics for a PC project. This is actually a PC project for logic because my main plan is using the mobile platform as my main game itself for financial purpose. So I can sell the game in the mobile platform rather than PC, which is very difficult. And mobile is kind of a little bit easier. For that I need a new engine for this, not using Blender. It's supposed to be like Unity engine for mobile, well-known game engine. Let's see the action for the OR. There's no blending. Blend in a bit out, make it 10 maybe. So if I go far away we can neutral. And closing again. Yep. Just instant pulse on the animation. The changing animation has a blend frame, a little bit smooth. Oh yeah, I want to show the new reference. Engine Survivor, I guess. Actually, new reference was the torch. Sorry for testing. I have the key, so I have sword, the bow. So I use the key for the cheat code. So they had the arrows. The archer mechanics has a zoom mechanics right now. So I can zoom by pressing right click, and it requires stamina. You can see in the stamina bar. Stamina meter on the bottom right. If I just run out of stamina, will be release the arrows. You can zoom, and you cannot zoom out unless it's release the arrows. And then the new mechanics was torch, so I can use the torch. Put on the slot key or shortcut key and it became like this. But somehow if I using the bow, because I'm using the both hands, see if I draw it, it will be unequipped torch. So if I want to using the torch again, I have to unequip or shoot the weapons and then press the shortcut key on the slot key. I can toggle it and you can use, I just learning the new layer of the animation. Somehow it had a glitch, like using sword. If I use sword on the tree, if I unsheet, it's still carrying the torch. That's the glitch that I'm still working on, but I still can use it and just keep swinging it. while carrying the torch, and I can disable it. It still has the glitch. You can see the left hand over there. It's like still handle torch. You can see that. Then going back to the original idle sword animations. So I can press it whenever I want. You can just still glitch it, but I think I'm going to work it out that later. And that's it for the streaming today. I'm very short streaming. So I'm going to finish these warlocks or the necromancers for the mechanics, for the AI mechanics to make it alive, and then I'm going to create the mechanics for the wyvern. I already tested with the LOD as well. Let's see the LOD. Let's see the date. Wyvern LOD. So this is just a testing object, and it's a default movement. So this movement is circle around, and it has LOD. As you can see, it changes into the spear whenever it just in a different LOD camera, which is the distance away. Became a spear, and when we're close to the camera, it will became cube or prism. If I close it, it will be follow and facing the player. The player is, in this case, is the cube. It will be follow, keep following, and as you can see, this disappear because it's a different camera from the LOD camera. You keep follow, and I will use the attacking animation, and very easy for, I think, it's very easy for a dragon. However, this is first time for creating a flying object or flying enemies. I never done it before. Mostly I use finish the land animation. I mean, land character animations rather than these flying characters. The ground units actually. Mostly I create the logic on the ground unit. However, this takes a lot of time to finish the mechanics on the AI. And also this is just for a PC project or a Blender project, not for a mobile projects. And the mobile project already done, which is the animation and the model. So the model is from Dota 2, just a little bit change on the head size and the face. And already has the animation. Already playing the animation. Stop volt. So it's going to disconnect because he's always crashed the graphic drivers. It's only for this version of Blender. Doesn't support the oldest graphic drivers always crash. Standing idle, teleport. There is a teleport which is disappear whenever close to the player or random AI. Healing. And then alert 104.20. I think it's 40. It's facing the player, and then this is not facing the player, which is very far. After just hitting by the arrows in the long distance. Just keep alert, but not doing anything. Depend on the random value. If the random value was closer to the player, we will be like searching into the player. And the death animation, very stupid death animation. Why I'm just very simple. And then firewall, when close to the player, will be smash the staff into the ground. magic shield. Very simple, very short animation, and this is very good for the next project, I guess, for the mobile platform. And the assets already done. And see you next time. I think that's it. Very short streaming. It's getting noisy around here. It's not good for the streaming time. Okay, see you next time.